The Automatic Foldable Electric Wheelchair for adults and seniors presents an innovative approach to mobility for those seeking independence and convenience. This product, equipped with intelligent app control and a dual function, aims to enhance the user experience by combining portability with advanced technology. At first glance, the design of this electric wheelchair is sleek and modern, making it appealing to a wide audience. Its foldable feature is one of its most significant advantages, allowing for easy storage and transport. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who may need to navigate different environments, whether it be at home, in a vehicle, or while traveling. The compact nature of the wheelchair does not compromise its structural integrity, demonstrating a thoughtful balance between form and function. The intelligent app control is an intriguing feature that sets this model apart from traditional electric wheelchairs. Users can connect their smartphones to the wheelchair, offering a range of control options that simplify operation. This technology can be particularly helpful for those who may have difficulty using manual controls. The app itself is designed to be user-friendly, featuring intuitive navigation that allows users to adjust settings and monitor the wheelchair's performance seamlessly. In terms of functionality, the Automatic Foldable Electric Wheelchair is equipped with dual motors, which contribute to its performance on various terrains. Whether navigating smooth pavements or slightly uneven surfaces, the wheelchair promises a stable and comfortable ride. The inclusion of adjustable seating and armrests enhances comfort, making it suitable for prolonged use. Using this electric wheelchair is straightforward. After initial setup, which involves syncing the app and ensuring the battery is charged, users can easily navigate their environment with the joystick control or through the app. The wheelchair's folding mechanism is also user-friendly, allowing for quick transitions from use to storage without requiring excessive physical effort. In conclusion, the Automatic Foldable Electric Wheelchair for adults and seniors presents a blend of practicality and modern technology. Its foldable design, intelligent app control, and dual motor functionality cater to the mobility needs of its users. For those seeking an accessible and advanced solution for enhanced mobility, this electric wheelchair could serve as a valuable addition to their daily lives.